So I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn. You can use any other type of yarn that you have. I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook. Also make sure that you're using a corresponding crochet hook. So let's begin. So we're going to begin with a chain of 5. So begin with a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to join this to make a circle with a slip knot. So we join like this. Then over, go through, then go through again here. So we have a circle now. So I'm just going to cut this tail a little bit. Now we're going to begin the first round. I'm going to chain 4, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to work 1 double crochet inside the circle. So this is double crochet in US terms and triple crochet in UK terms. So yarn over once, insert into the circle, pick up a loop, okay, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. And then I'm going to chain 1, work another double crochet. So I'm going to be hiding this tail as we crochet. Yarn over, insert into the circle, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, okay, like this. Chain 1, we put another double crochet, like this, chain 1. Okay, so this one here, the chain 4, part of the chain is acting as a double crochet, and then we have chain 1. So this is going to be our first double crochet. So now we have 4. So we're going to continue up until we have 10 double crochets in the circle. So we now have 10 double crochets. Here I just did a double crochet, so I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to come and put a slip stitch in chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook and join with a slip stitch, and then pull through like this. So I've completed the first round. Now moving on to the next round, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to work a puff stitch. Yarn over once. We're going to be working in the chain 1 space from the previous round. Insert your hook, pull through. So make sure that you pull high enough to the height of the chain 3. Yarn over again, insert, pick up a loop, pull it again, yarn over again, insert, and pull through. So next I'm going to yarn over. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7 loops. So I'm going to pull through the first 6 loops like this, yarn over, and then pull through the last 2 loops, and then we chain 1. So in the next chain space, which is this one, I'm going to put another puff. So yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 6 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So here, instead of chain 1, I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we repeat again the sequence. Yarn over, put a puff in the next chain space, pull through, okay, yarn over, insert, pull through, and over, insert, pull through. Make sure you have 7 loops on the hook, 2, 4, 6, 7, and over, pull through the first 6 loops, and over, pull through the last 2 loops, and then we chain 1. In the next space we put another puff, 2, yarn over, 3, yarn over, pull through the first 6, yarn over, pull through the last 2, and then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just going to be repeating the sequence. After chain 4, we do another puff, chain 1, another puff, chain 4. So let's do that right round up until we're towards the end of the round. So here I just did the last puff stitch in the last chain space, this one. So I'm going to chain 4, okay? This is our last chain 4, chain 1 here. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to come 1, 2, 3 and join with a slip stitch. Sorry. Like this. So this completes the second round. Now moving on to the last round, I'm going to put 1 single crochet next. Okay, I'm going to put 1 single crochet here. Okay, and then in the next chain space again, I'm going to put another single crochet like this. Now in the chain 4 space, okay, we're going to crochet our first peak of the star. So I begin with a single crochet. I put 1 half double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. I put 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Again, I put 2 treble crochets. So with a treble, yarn over twice. This is in US terms. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the next 2, pull through the last 2. Another treble, pull through the first 2, the next 2, the last 2. And then we chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we begin again with 2 trebles, 1 double crochet, 1 HDC, and 1 single crochet. Okay, yarn over twice in the same chain 4 space. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, another treble in the same chain space. Pull through 2, pull through 2, like that. We put 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. We put 1 half double crochet. Pull through all the 3, and then the last one, 1 single crochet, like this. You can see this one. So next, in the next chain 1 space, this one, we just put 1 single crochet, like this. And then we repeat again what we did here, our second peak. So we're doing the peaks on the chain 4 spaces. So begin with a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, two treble crochets, and then we chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 trebles, one double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet, Here's the second peak. Okay, so we're going to repeat the next chain space, 1 single crochet, repeat the third peak, single crochet, fourth peak, single crochet, fifth peak. So let's do that right round up until we're towards the end of the round. Our star is almost done. At the end here, I'm just going to put a slip stitch here, like this. And then we're going to cut and fasten off. So this is going to be the right side, so fasten off on the wrong side. Okay, so this is our star and it is done. So you can make a star garland or you can decorate this on a Christmas tree. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like and comment for more videos. Thank you.